Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
ASPCA has no reports of any part of the petunia plant being toxic to dogs. There are also no known reports of them being toxic to other domestic pets such as cats and rabbits. Eating a large volume of any plant material could cause a dog mild gastrointestinal upset.
Take our lead.
Petunias need at least 5 or 6 hours of good sunlight. They'll perform even better when located in full sun all day. The more shade they receive, the fewer flowers they'll produce. Impatiens are a better choice for blooming in shady places.
Let's help you make your mark.
Azalea, buttercups, chrysanthemums, gardenias, gladiolas, hibiscus, hyacinth, hydrangeas, mums, primroses, rhododendrons, and sweet peas are popular garden items that are poisonous. That's just another good reason to keep your dogs away from your neighbor's award-winning flower bushes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.